What's up, YouTube? It's me again. It's Jenna. I bought something else on the internet and I want to share it with you. I got sucked into the Instagram ads. They just like target me specifically. And there's been this thing on there called the PONYO, and it's like the new upgraded ponytail holder. So, of course, me having like an insane amount of hair, really needed to try this out. So I ordered it and it came in the mail. It came in this little package. They stuck it right in the mailbox. Stuff's just kind of in there. It's not packaged. That's okay, Ponyo. Right out of the bag is a little guide how to ponyo. It's gonna let you know if you didn't watch the videos like I did. I ordered the black ponyo and I ordered the fancy black one, so they just come folded up. But when you want the magic to work, you make it. Alright, let's try this on my crazy hair. So I'm just gathering my hair together like how I would if I was going to do a regular high pony. See how sturdy this ponyo is. Why didn't they have these when I was a cheerleader? I think they would have been great. The 2 fingers pull the hair through. Got the hair up there. Squish it down. And then bend it in half under the side. Ponyo. What a carefree way to style your hair up. I think this would stay in through my sleep. So I did get some bling also because your girl needs to bling bling. This. It's a little accessory that's supposed to go around your ponyo. It's got a little showing my long pieces of hair that are poking out because I've been growing my bangs out. So, alright. Got my blingy ponyo. Got my hair up. I really don't think it's going anywhere. I'm super happy with this. I think I would highly recommend this purchase. It's very awesome. Especially for you long, thick-haired ladies. Have a little bit more fun and not have to worry about looking weird with some droopy ponytail. So, let me know what you think. Is this something that you would consider getting? It's totally worth it to me. If you have any questions about it, feel free to ask me. Totally down to answer any questions. If you liked the video, if you didn't, and please hit that subscribe button. Anyways, thanks YouTube. Peace.